everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 3, Movement Towards a New World. So let's begin with section A. Answer the following questions as required, 1 mark each. And the question number 1 is match the pairs correctly. Write the numbers of section B in the answer column. So you have to write the numbers of section B in the answer column, in the third column. So section A is founder of the Fascist Party. The answer is Benito Mussolini, number 2. Second, President of Germany. The answer is 5, Hindenburg. Number 3, 1st September 1939. The answer is beginning of the Second World War. Number 4, 11th August 1945. The answer is number 1, end of the Second World War. Now match the following. Number 2. You have to write full forms in this. So you have to match the short form with the full forms. So number 1, WHO. The answer is 3, World Health Organization. Number 2, IMF. The answer is number 1, International Monetary Fund. Number 3, FAO. The answer is Food and Agriculture Organization. Number 4, ILO. The answer is International Labour Organization. Option number 2. Now, question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. So, number 1 is the maxim of Mussolini was one party, one leader. The answer is true. Number 2, the volunteers of the Nazi wore blue uniform. The answer is true. Number 3, Germany had signed the non-aggression treaty with France. The answer is false. Number 4, the World War II was started on 11th September 1939. The answer is false. Number 5, the United Nations was established on 24th October 1945. The answer is true. Number 6, Allied nations became victorious in the Second World War. The answer is true. Number 7, the General Assembly is the biggest organ of the UN. The answer is true. Number 8, India is the permanent member of the Secretary General. The answer is false. Now, question number 3, answer the following questions in a word or two. So, question number 1, what kind of government rose in some countries after the First World War? The answer is dictatorship. Number 2, which dictatorship was rising in Italy? The answer is fascism. Number 3, which dictatorship was rising in Germany? The answer is Nazism. Number 4, who founded the Fascist Party in Italy? The answer is Benito Mussolini. Number 5, the wooden fell and the X were the symbol of which party? The answer is Fascist Party. Number 6, from which Italian word is the fascism derived? The answer is facage. Number 7, whose maxim was one party, one leader? The answer is Mussolini. Next, number 8, who established the dictatorship in Germany? The answer is Adolf Hitler. Number 9, what did the German people believe for Hitler? The answer is Führer, which means savior. Number 10, the soldiers of Nazism used to put which symbol on their soldiers? The answer is the reverse swastika. Now, number 11, by which name is the event of killing innumerable Jews by the end of Second World War known? The answer is Holocaust, which means genocide. Number 2, which king of Japan encouraged the imperialist activities of the country? The answer is Hirohito. Number 13. In which treaty the seeds of the Second World War were sown? The answer is Treaty of Versailles, which was signed after Second World War and it was signed by Germany. Next, number 14. What did the German dictator Hitler announce on the Treaty of Versailles to reject it? The answer is a piece of paper. Number 15. On which two cities of Japan the United States dropped the atom bomb to prevent Japanese strength? The answer is Hiroshima and Nagasaki. 16. Under whose leadership Chinese Revolution was occurred? The answer is Mao Zedong. Next, which world organization was established on 24th October 1945? The answer is UN, United Nations. Number 18. Who made 4 important announcements regarding freedom while giving his message to the American Congress? The answer is the American President Roosevelt. Next, what is the Office of General Secretary of the United Nations called? The answer is Secretariat. Now, next, number 20. In which city is the Secretariat of the United Nations located? The answer is New York. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct options from those given below each statements. So you have to choose the correct option and write the answer in the blank space given. So number 1, dash is the symbol of the fascist party. The correct option is B, bunch of sticks and eggs. Next, number 2, the seeds of the Second World War were sown in the dash treaty at the end of First World War. The correct option is C, Versailles. Next, number 3, dash has dropped atom bombs on the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki of Japan during the Second World War. The answer is A, America. Number 4, the Communist government of China was formed under the leadership of dash. The answer is A, Mao Zedong. Number 5, the headquarters of the UN is in dash city of the USA. The answer is New York. Take the answer and also write in the blank space given. Okay, the answer is New York. Then 6th, dash is celebrated as the United Nations Day all over the world. So the correct option is C, 24th October. Now, number 7, Germans considered Hitler as, the answer is B, Führer. Okay, there may be some spelling mistake. The correct spelling is F-U-H-R-E-R, which means savior. So next, number 8, the soldier of Nazi party wore dash colored uniform. The correct option is C, blue. Number 9, German communist dash described the Treaty of Versailles as a piece of paper. The answer is A, Adolf Hitler. Next, number 10, Hitler's dash policy was responsible for the outbreak of the Second World War. The answer is C, imperialism. Next, choose the correct option from those given below each statement and write the answers. So number 1, who founded the fascist party in Italy? So the answer is C, Mussolini. Number 2, what was the symbol of fascist party? The correct option is B, bunch of sticks and X. Number 3, what was the maxim of Mussolini? The answer is one party, one leader. Number 4, who started Nazi party in Germany? The answer is A, Adolf Hitler. Then number 5, choose the correct option from those given below. The correct option is D, Mussolini established fascism in Italy. Then number 6, which country dropped atom bombs on the Japanese cities Hiroshima and Nagasaki? So the correct option is D, USA. Then number 7, where is the headquarters of the UN situated? The answer is option C, New York. Then number 8, Which day is celebrated all over the world as United Nations Day? The correct option is C, 24th October. Then number 9, where is the International Court of Justice situated? The answer is C, Hague. Number 10, which permanent member has made maximum use of the veto power? The answer is C, Russia, formerly USSR. Number 11, who take care of improving the health of the people of the world? The answer is WHO, option A, World Health Organization. Then number 12, the symbol given adjacent represents which organization? The answer is A, FAO. Then number 13, the symbol given adjacent represent which organization? The answer is B, UNESCO or UNESCO. So this was the solution of section A of your chapter number 3, movement towards a new world. So if you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the second part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.